Hey, this is a super backlit shot. I have electronic image stabilization on, but not the HDR mode. This is 4K 60 footage. Just showing you what it's like there. I'm using the selfie screen on the front of the Osmo Action to capture the action. The camera is about 8 inches from my face, and I am speaking at a normal volume in an area with some background noise, so we'll see how the internal mic picks up here. And here I am in the exact same spot with the 4K 30 HDR mode on. I've got the camera on a selfie stick, and as we can see in the footage, the backlight is much better handled by the HDR footage. And this is 4K 60 with the D-Cinelike flat color profile in the same backlit situation. This is with electronic image stabilization about the same distance as the previous clips to see the dynamic range there. Just keep in mind, electronic image stabilization is not available in the HDR video mode. And this is the flat profile graded a little bit in Premiere Pro, just to show you what you can do if you want to retain electronic image stabilization and have a little bit more dynamic range in your footage. It will require some color correction, and we'll compare it with the in-camera HDR mode.